Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll begin with a new topic in craft. Okay, children, tell me when you're writing something with your pencil or drawing something with your pencil and you happen to break the pencil point, what do? Yes, you sharpen your pencil, right? And what do you do with the pencil shavings? You throw them off, right? But today we will see some wonderful craft using pencil shavings. Okay, so now you can start collecting the pencil shavings. So today we are going to use pencil shavings and we are going to make a pencil shavings craft. Okay, now today's craft that what we are going to do is a fish using the pencil shavings. Okay, so let's see the materials. You will require a A4 size white paper. Okay, if you don't have white paper, use any light color paper, don't use a dark color paper. Okay, then you will need pencil, eraser, scale, crayons, sketch pens, and for this craft compulsory you have to use Fevicol. Okay, now you will need pencil shavings, right? You will need some pencil shavings. So whichever old pencils you have there, the pencils that have become very short, you can use those old pencils which have become short. Okay, don't sharpen new pencils. Start collecting, and when you feel that you have sufficient pencil shavings, then you can do your craft. So you will need some pencil shavings, right? Okay, now let's get started. You will take the paper and keep it horizontal. Okay, draw a border on all the four sides. Okay, and then you will draw a fish. Nice big fish you will draw. Use the full page. Draw a nice big fish, and the body part should be broad enough. Okay, draw the body part, it should not be thin like this. Okay, it should be broad enough. Okay, then draw the eyes, draw the fins, draw the tail. Nicely you will draw. Okay, use the full page and you will divide the head part and the body part using two curved lines here. Can you see? Okay, now you will color the fish. Now I have colored the head part, the fin part, and the tail part with orange. The curved line here I have done red, and body part I have done yellow. Okay, then after that we will color the background. Okay, you will take light blue color and color the background, and you will do some bubbles coming out of the fish mouth. Okay, that bubbles you can do dark blue. Those bubbles you can do dark blue. Okay, then with the dark blue color you will give the effect of water. Can you see the effect of water waves, wavy lines you will do? Okay, then our basic drawing for the of fish is ready. Now we have to start with the pencil shaving craft. Okay, for that I have done another rough image of a fish. Okay, because you have to only do that pencil shaving craft in the yellow part. So I am going to show on another fish only on the yellow part what you have to do. Okay, so first what you are going to do, you will do some curved lines. Okay, using the pencil, draw some curved lines. Don't draw them very near, keep little space and draw the curved lines. See the next image. Can you see the curved lines how I have drawn? Okay, so how much ever curved lines are fitting, that many you draw, but don't draw them near. Again I'm telling you, keep some distance between the curved lines. Okay, now once you finish that, what you do, take the glue. Okay, take the glue and you will here on the curved line you will apply glue. Okay, on the first curved line you will apply the glue. Once you apply the glue, Okay, nicely you apply. Okay, glue you will use Fevicol, right? Fevicol I told you to use. So you will nicely apply Fevicol on the curved line here. Then take one pencil shaving and stick. See how I have stuck that. Can you see? Okay, so you will use pencil shavings, okay, and you will stick them one by one on the line how much ever they are fitting. Once you finish the first line, then only start with the second line. And when you're sticking, okay, when you are sticking this pencil shaving, just press your finger for some time. Okay, press fingers nicely on the pencil shaving for some time, then only remove your finger, because if you stick and immediately you will remove your finger, the pencil shade will come out, but the pencil shade takes little time to stick. So just hold your keep your press it with your finger for some time. So once it is little it will stick, then you can move on to the next pencil shaving. Then complete the first line, then go with the continue with the second line. Okay, so now you can see I have finished doing all the lines. Can you see? First line, second line, third line, fourth, and how much ever is fitting, that much you stick. Okay, no, don't stick very close. You have to stick close only, but stick it nicely. Okay, then once you come near the tail part, you stop. Okay, so can you see the fish is ready? Okay, using the pencil shavings we have done the fish craft we have done using the pencil shavings, and it is looking so beautiful. Now you can do so many craft items, your craft decorative items using pencil shavings. Now here you can see garden, okay, flowers, okay, in the garden, and bees extra. You can use your own creativity to do it. See, here's a flower pot, here's a girl dress, see, using pencil shavings. Here it is a peacock using pencil shavings. So you can do so many craft items using pencil shavings. Okay, so do try out some. Okay, and do the fish very nicely, children. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Sai Ram.